Yeah, bro, I was like fucking orange juice from the
for
back
real?
and shit. Hey, yo,
Shit.
who opened
Hey,
the
who
fridge,
opened
bro?
the fridge,
Yo, what the
man?
fuck's going on, bro? Oh, fuck, yo.
Who's this?
Quiet, my friend. Apologies. You know how much I love you. You know how much I love you, right?
Bro, I don't know who you are. Who the fuck?
Quiet, my friend.
Can
Be
you
quiet, my friend. Now listen. Listen, you two. You're both going to listen to me now.
Okay, yeah.
Understand?
Yes, yeah, we understand.
Oh, you're such a good boy. Just listen to me.
Bro, what about orange juice?
Shut the fuck up, nigga. Orange juice. It's orange juice. No, I don't like that up. That nigga up.
I'll be real, I don't know orange juice.
Quiet, my son. Quiet. You're still in your casing. I haven't released you.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay, my baby.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
I have something special for you, but don't worry, I know where orange juice is. Oh, what is this I see?
Who the fuck are you, nigga?
So you've been hiding orange juice?
Hiding from who, bro? Who the fuck are you, nigga?
Who the fuck are you, nigga? Man, get out my playground, nigga. I'll sting you.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, apple juice, help me! Hey, bro, let go of me, man. I didn't do anything wrong. What? What?
You killed my previous children.
Children.
Why?
I don't know.
Why?
Hey, bro, I didn't do anything wrong. Please, let me go, please, man.
No more.
Nah, let me. Hey, bro, I'm wet. I'm scared. Fuck, he's looking here.
Got to leak.
I'm not.
Hey, my baby.
Please don't touch me.
Okay. You leak. Oh, that shit turns me on so much. You know, I think I got something to solve it. Do you want to know?
Maybe another time, yeah? Oh, bro,
wet you
please
are.
leave me alone.
Oh my
Bro, please don't touch that, please. I'm so sensitive there, please. No one has never opened me before, please don't do it. No.
I've seen your insides.
It hurts.
Can't wait to suck you
What?
dry.
Wait, hold on. No. Stop it! Oh, Jesus Christ, someone help me.
I haven't forgotten about you. You're still in your packaging. Boy. I'll save you for tomorrow.
Thank you.